On today's body cam, we're checking out crazy daughter attacks mom, fights cops, and has a full psycho meltdown.
On September 6th, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
What?
Help me, my daughter. She's on the other floor. She's kicked in my door.
Hey, ma'am.
Help me, please.
Okay, hey.
Help me. Officer. She has a car out there, a black car. On the black car, officer. Help me.
Hey,
Back up.
chill out.
Back up. Close my door.
Don't make us take.
Don't.
You don't want to get tased for this.
Close my door. Back up. Back up. Close my door.
What's going on? Let's get out. Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop. Get out. You're gonna make it worse.
That's the
You're
daughter?
gonna make it worse.
Get out. Move.
You're good. Another car. We're gonna talk about this.
What are we going to talk about?
What happened inside?
Nothing.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of my car. Get out
Why
of
do
my
you want
car.
to make this worse?
Get out of my car.
Why do you want to make this worse?
Get out. Back up.
Why do you want to make this worse?
I'm just going to leave.
No, you're not.
Back up.
No, we're not until we figure stuff out.
Back up.
Oh, wow. Come on.
Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
What's going on?
Don't touch me.
What's going on?
Don't touch me.
What's going on?
Don't me.
Hey, go to the other.
Damn, my God, damn. My guy got that cop look, boy. He just got the look like, damn. What's going on? A little beard, you know, that thick ass mustache, man. That shit look crazy, man. But anyways, yeah, the lady right here, with her being outside, it can actually cause the daughter, or even if this wasn't this scenario, a different situation where she should have stayed inside, because by her coming outside, now that might trigger the daughter or whoever would be having a dispute with, might trigger them to act out even more crazy, because now they see them again, you know, so it might ignite that those feelings and everything.
Side. Make sure she doesn't start in this car. You can just open the door.
Get off of me. Get off.
Get out.
Get off.
Get out. Get out. Seriously.
Get off. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get off of me. Get out of the car. Get off of me. Get out of the car.
Get out.
Get off of me.
Can you hit the gear real quick? Thank you.
What is wrong? All right, now we're not falling.
Get out of the car.
Man, that's a big chick, man. That's a big chick. I know the other day I said something about officers. There was this one officer that came to the scene, and she was a skinny little mini thing, right? And everybody got up and roar, you know what I mean? Oh, just don't judge their size, da da da. Listen, that little thing ain't got nothing on this right here, man. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a big girl.
Got gloves.
Yeah.
You want gloves?
Wrist lock.
You want to put gloves?
Yeah.
I got it right now.
Just hold it there. I got gloves. I'll wrist lock it. All right. Hold that
Look,
phone.
these grown men struggling.
Hey, get out of the car.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
You got that wrist? She's about to start fighting me.
Take it down.
All right, get on the ground. Here. Oh, I gotta take it my way. My way. Chill out.
My guy body cam now we actually watching. He got an easy job.
We have the ambulance. The ambulance is right here.
What's going on?
I need water.
Okay, well tell me what's
Get
going
me
on.
water. Get me water. Right now.
No.
No?
Jesus. What's going on?
Get me water.
What's going on?
I need water and I'll talk.
What's going on?
Get me water.
You need to calm down.
Get me water.
You need to calm down.
Get me some right now. I swear to God.
Stop.
You better get me some water.
Just stop.
You better get me some water.
Just stop.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
Listen, just.
You're gonna pay.
Hey, what's your
Move
name?
your right now.
Hey.
Stop.
What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Well, what can I call you for now?
No, nothing.
Okay.
No. Shut
fine.
up.
Well, just. Here's the deal.
Give me some water right now. Get me some water. Get me some water. Right now. Get your hands off of me.
No.
See, you hear the mom in the background. This is, come on, man. You gotta just be quiet, man.
Stop. Hey, just chill out. Got EMS coming. They're gonna get you.
Get me the water.
EMS is gonna get you some water, okay? So for now, I just wanna have a conversation with you. All right? What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Is it Gloria?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sure.
Yes. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Yeah.
Huh?
Don't talk to me. You don't talk to me either. You hear me?
Oh.
No.
I'll talk to you if I want to.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You will?
Yeah.
Do it.
No, I'm talking to
Do
you right
it.
now.
Do it.
Do what?
Shut the
No, I'm gonna shut up. I need to talk to you. What happened here?
shut the shut
What's going on?
Yeah, whatever you feel is right. She lives here, so.
What happened to your finger?
Stay in 814.
Shut the
You stay in.
I'm not talking to you.
So I can call the.
Shut the up. Better shut the up. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Tell me.
Charge you with disorder.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can, but you're not. Do it.
I will.
Okay, good. Great. Good.
fine.
I don't give a bitch.
Okay, cool. I can also.
Shut the
I can also.
Yeah, get you some water.
Yeah, let go of me and let me drink my water.
No, I'm not letting you go.
We can give it to you.
Yeah, you better give me some water. That's right, serve me. Yeah, no, I want her to do it. Give it to her. Give it to her.
You're either
Right
gonna
now.
get that water from him right now, or you're not getting any water.
Oh, really?
So let me know when you change your mind, right? I'm here for whenever you change your mind.
I had to make her leave.
Hey, what happened to your finger? No, I'm asking you what happened.
With me.
I'm not trying to fuck with you. Stop that.
Oh boy.
She's fine, I got her.
Yeah,
This is
you better
just,
stop. You
she wants fine.
You stop.
Fuck you up.
You been drinking today?
Yeah, I have. Bitch, what are you gonna
What
do
you been
about it?
drinking?
None of your damn business, bitch.
Anything you recommend? No, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Hurry up.
I got her. I got her. So, we do that again.
Get her up in the car. We need to get her in the car.
Give me some water
We
first.
still got EMS coming?
No.
No? Get me in a car.
Stop that. Stop that.
Stop. Kick my officer again, and I'm going to charge you with it. Okay. It's called simple battery on a law enforcement officer. Stop it now.
Oh, so.
Get me some water first.
No. You can get up and you can get in the car.
God damn. Them tires look. Shit look like it's losing air, boy.
Get up.
You need somebody on the other side to pull her from the inside? You got it?
You guys got everything going?
Yep.
I got her head. I'm supporting her
1,
head.
2, 3. Let's just go to the ground. Let's go to the ground with her. Let's go to the ground.
You gotta hobble her. She ain't gonna go in there.
Let's just leave her like this. Let her calm down. We'll try again.
Then stop kicking my officer. Do you want medical help or not? That's what we're trying to do for you. Stop kicking my officer. Give me some
Boy,
water.
they going through it, boy. They breathing heavy.
Water right now.
Really?
Yep.
Bet. Okay, give me some water.
Nope.
Bet.
Oh, you can? Oh, no. I want you or her. I want you or
I can't come over there to me. I'll be interfering with
Oh, really?
with an investigation.
Okay, babe.
Give me the water.
Give me some water.
Calm down, you get the water.
All right, I'm calm. Give me some water.
I'll be the decision maker on that.
Shut
I'm getting water right now.
Oh, really?
Don't
Really?
talk to the police like that.
Sit up more, okay?
Go ahead. Sit up. I'm right here. You don't talk to the...
Oh, really?
Back up, back up.
Back up.
Hey, sit up. Alicia.
Their name's Gloria. Yeah. I've got her. Gloria, can we get you up and set you right here? That way you're off the concrete?
No.
Please, no. Come on.
No.
I gave you all the good drugs.
No.
Pretty please.
No. No.
Will you do it if I helped you up there?
I'll do if you give me water.
Okay, well, that's up to them. Can I give you
follow
water?
them.
If you get up here, we'll give you water.
Okay, babe.
Yeah, it's water there.
Yeah? All right, we
Okay,
gotta
go.
get up there and you listen to them. Come on. Do you need some help?
No.
Can I help you?
No, I'm waiting for her to give me water.
Okay. Oh, she wants water first. Okay. Here. I got the water.
No.
No. That's not how it works. You don't let these people play games with you like that. You sit down, then you get the water.
She wants me to go.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah,
Good?
serve me. Serve me. That's what I thought.
All right, we need to get down here now. All right, get on there. Come on. So now that I have your water,
Yeah, you serve
unless you
me.
get on there, you're not getting any more.
Thank you.
Come on.
Oh, sweet.
Sit down.
Yeah, you give me water.
Sit down.
You serve me, bitch. How did it feel? How did it feel? Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah, that's what I thought. Back up. Yeah.
The woman was charged with battery, resisting arrest, and battery on law
Unbelievable.
enforcement officers.
ShyGotEm reaction, you know it's a hit. Drunk drivers failing under the street lamps.
Yeah, watch the footage, don't miss the stamps.
Let me know what you think of the chase.
ShyGotEm.
We